Hi, Rachel. My name is Tabitha, and this is my husband, Andrew.
Hello.
We're going to show you our backyard oasis here in Williamsburg, Virginia.
This has become the hangout spot for our closest friends and family. It came about because we planned to take a cruise, but unfortunately it was canceled due to COVID. So we decided what better thing to do than to bring the vacation home to us.
For the foundation, we hired a professional to pour the concrete, and my husband and I and our 2 kids laid the tile ourselves. The brick darkened up the space, so we decided to cover it up in this artificial boxwood panel, which is UV protected and weatherproof. All we did was measure the wall before we went ahead and purchased the amount of boxes that we needed. It was pretty easy to assemble. We attached the boxwood panels to a piece of wood at the top, which allowed it to drape down. So Rachel, we built a couch. We had 0 experience in building one, but we decided to go ahead and give it a try.
My wife showed me a picture of what she wanted, and I went to our local store, got the materials that I needed, and through a little trial and error, I was able to put it together.
I went ahead and I bought foam, and I stacked a couple of them together to get the height that we wanted. Then I wrapped it in a polyester batting. For the cushions, I sewed that up myself. It looks so good. We couldn't be more proud of the finished product. I always see people taking the most beautiful photos on these boho swings, so of course I had to have one. No extra money was spent here. My husband just grabbed a scrap piece of wood and he put the swing together for me. For the tassel, I simply unraveled the rope and tied a knot at the top to hold the swing in place. For the lights, we purchased a 100-foot string of lights. So while my husband was stapling the lights to the upper deck beams, I went ahead and I screwed the light bulbs in. For the mirrors, we purchased each of them from a different store. We spray painted them gold, and now they look like a complete set. We love our outdoor space because we know it's the safest place to hang out with our friends and family. I'm so happy to have shared our space with you today. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. Bye.
Are there any final tips you guys want to share?
I do have a tip that I want to share. For the pillows on our back patio, I did customize and sew them up myself. So for the letters, the custom letters on here, I cut them out on my machine and with my sewing machine. And if you don't have a sewing machine, there is another no-sew option where you can just apply some interfacing to the back of your fabric, throw it into your cutting machine and cut it out. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can trace some letters onto your fabric and cut it out with your scissors and just iron it onto your fabric. And that's it.
Wow, you have a lot of patience. I need to get some more equipment.